In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your sway bar link. Let's get started. I'm going to use a 21mm socket, try to break this nut free. The bolt on the other side might spin, but if it does, we'll just have to hold it with a wrench. Okay, it's spinning. That's a good sign actually, because that means it's not seized up in here. Use an 18mm, hold the bolt side, and remove the nut. Pull it through. Now use an 18mm and remove this lower bolt. All right, remove this. Take the bolt out. There's a washer on the other side. And there it is. Grab your new sway bar link. Slide the bolt through. I put some anti-seize on it so that hopefully it doesn't rust as much as it did. Put the washer on. Thread this part on, and I'm going to bottom it out. Looks like I can do it by hand, which is great, but I'm not going to tighten it yet. I want to put the top one in first, then I'll tighten both. As for the top one, this one came through the other side. There we go, just like that. All right, I'm going to tighten the top one first, then we'll go to the bottom. The torque for both of these is 111 foot-pounds. There you go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.